Good evening, friends. This, this is about this new COVID variant also and my recovery also. So I've decided to shoot a video, and it's after a long time. So, and I'm following the news very well, which says that this new kind of variant is very risky, and even small kids can get COVID easily with this new COVID variant. They can be infected very soon. So, as per the younger you are, your immunity would be weak, and they are saying that kids would be asymptomatic. That means they have no symptoms if they get it with this new variant. So I would say, don't take your kids even after things open up. Don't take them to parks. Don't take them anywhere else. Just make them healthy things at home. Keep them entertained with games. At least nowadays you've seen kids are very happy with the iPad and all that. But I would like to request you one more thing. Then उनको ऑनलाइन चीज़ों की आदतें इतनी ना डालें. Just create family games with them. Let them read something with their grandparents. Let the grandparents read them stories in Hindi. Maybe आप क्यों ना उनको हिंदी में न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने की आदत डालें with your grandparents. Because I myself don't read. ऐसे कहना बड़ा आसान होता है, बट क्यों ना नए जनरेशन को हम ये आदत डालें. And my request with you was, just keep your younger kids safer and away with this new variant. And they are saying Supreme Court has ordered that vaccine is going to come for even below 18. I think by the end of this year, at least तब तक तो सेफ रखना पड़ेगा ना. So there I am. Good evening, friends. It might be around 8:30 right now. So how are you? How was your evening? Lot of people might have been waiting for my vlog. Last I uploaded a vlog was on March 11th, and as so many of you might have guessed that I was COVID positive. After being positive in my mind that I will never get it, but I still got it, but I didn't realize it. I was a little weak. I'm still a little weak, but then I've recovered. I'm sitting in front of you fresh, with a fresh mind, with a fresh heart. I can still give you hope. There's nothing to worry. I've recovered well, and there's a weakness going to last. It will take me around 15 days to 1 month, and there's nothing to worry about it. I'm alive, in one piece, sitting in front of a chair, on a chair in front of you, shooting a vlog here. I'm fine, I'm safe, all my family members are safe. I've recovered well, with all your blessings. There's nothing to fear. I was home quarantine, I did not need to do any extra test. I was just did my negative and positive COVID test. I just did that much, and I did not even go for any blood test or any CT scan because my doctor didn't advise me. I didn't have any symptoms. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. There's always hope. There is always God. I was praying throughout. Should I say that? Oh, not necessary. And always be hopeful. You can get COVID and you'll be fine, but that doesn't mean we don't take our precautions. It's not necessary everybody gets it. But even if you get it, it's no need to panic. I didn't even know. There is somebody shooting the video with me. You can ask these people that I met them, but I didn't know. I didn't know I had COVID. But I was going weak. Then I used to go and sleep in the afternoon. But I did not realize. I realized towards the end. So I was only, due to realizing I was only quarantined at home for 10 days. But then before that also I wasn't going anywhere. I only came to the terrace 3 times in my building. I've not gone out of the vicinity for 2 months because many of my family members got COVID. So I've not been out of the building vicinity or eaten something from out in the past more than 2 months. Yeah. So ना घबराएं, ना डरे, ना घबराएं, अपना वैक्सीन ले लें. Please take your vaccines. It's available for everybody, all ages now, above 18. Go ahead, take your vaccine and safeguard yourself. And there's nothing to fear, it's got no side effects. And what more? For nearly 2 months, you guys might have missed me. I got some subscribers extra, and maybe one of them saw that there was no video, so he unsubscribed to me. But you know the reason. I was not well. I'm still weak, and then I couldn't shoot. And now you'll be getting regular vlogs as I start going out in a 15 days to a month. Again I'll be regular shooting with. यहाँ तो एक everything starts from everything is only open from 7 in the morning to 11 in the morning here in Pune. I'm not very sure about other states in India, but in Pune that's the situation. एक टुकड़ा मिठाई का नहीं मिल रहा है तो क्या जाके खरीदो, आप क्या देखेंगे? What would you like to see? Because I can't show you anything. Abhi, there are so many people who roam around their house and show you daily routine. My mother is working in the kitchen and this and that. Saurav Joshi, he's one of my favorite vloggers. But then even they got COVID, being at home, taking so many precautions. They're really nice. He's a very hard working vlogger. He gives updates of his health. They are also fine. He gives update of his health during his COVID period also. But I'm telling you, even I could have done that, but I didn't realize that I have got COVID. Then when I tested positive, then I came to know I got slight fever one day. Next day it was all gone. Okay, I said, thank God I'm safe. I did not need to go to a hospital or do any CT scan or do anything. Always consult your family doctor, they are really nice. These other doctors are really expensive. Actually, my doctor also took a lot of money. 12,000 to be precise. For all of us, 2,000 per person. Okay, but that's part and parcel of it. Health is more important than money. पैसों का ना सोचे. Before vaccines were free, now they are charging you, I think 600 rupees per vaccine. Go ahead. It's worth it. Don't have doubts for vaccines. And convince your elders, because there could be a lot of elders in India ke, olden zamane ka people. I'm not putting anybody down, but the older generation, I hope I don't put anybody down by saying that. There could be a lot of people who are not trusting the vaccine. I saw the news today. And there are some people in some village near Delhi, they're not trusting the vaccine and they don't feel they need it. And they feel that after taking the vaccine, they are getting COVID. It could be a possibility. But then, a vaccine can get you corona also, but it can prevent you from hospitalization. It can prevent you from hospitalization. So please, rather than going to a hospital after getting corona without a vaccine, Just go to hospital right now. Government hospitals are there, they're giving it to you for free. Private hospitals are there, they're charging you, I think, 500-600 or even a little more than that. Even Russian vaccine Sputnik is arrived somewhere in India, I think Hyderabad. It will be available to Indian in Pune also, what Indian I'm saying, I'm not talking about cricket team. So in Pune also it would be available. Other places also it would be available. So my humble request to all of you and your family members and your elders, please trust the Indian vaccine. Please trust the Russian vaccine. These vaccines have come out soon with a lot of research, and it, again, let me tell you, it can prevent your life, it can prevent you from being hospitalized. Both my parents got COVID after taking vaccine, but they were prevented. They got well, they are clean now, they are COVID free, they are negatively tested. Thank you.